I'm gonna show you all how easy it is to make Christmas string lights flash with the flashes that come with them. You notice the flashes will have these little red tips on them. Most of the time they come with the incandescent light strings. Each string has two sections. If you pull one light bulb out, half of the section would go off and the other section would be on. You put a flasher on each one of those sections and you would have each string flashing at different intervals. I'll show you how easy it is to do by making these two light strings flash in 4 different intervals. Okay, there you go. And once you get your light flashes on, they would flash at different times. Thanks for watching.